Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I want to show you how to easily fix your LENOVO Tab One heating while charging. So first, what you guys want to do is understand that it's normal if you're charging the device using fast charging. So actually, it's okay if it gets a little heated sometimes, it's normal and you shouldn't be worried about it. But if you're not using fast charging and it's heating up no matter what, then you might want to check for background apps that can cause this heat. So open up the settings, and here in the settings you want to go over to the battery settings. So swipe down a bit and go to battery, and as you guys can see here we have the information about our temperature. Here, what else can we do? We can go over to the battery usage, and here we can view it by apps. So which apps run in the background for how long, how much percent does the app take. And for an example, this app has been in the background time for 11 hours. And what can we do in this situation? We can easily disable the allow background usage. So you can disable it to save the battery, or you guys can keep it enabled to get the background usage. So here we have the optimized or unrestricted. So this may use more battery, and this is optimized for our usage. Now what else can you guys do is use the original charger and a cable. It can help a lot. So make sure to do that and avoid using the tablet while it's charging. So if you want to charge it to, let's say 80%, it's the safest option, not 100, just 80, so you guys don't drain your battery, or just don't reduce your lifespan, but increase the lifespan by charging to 80%. Then let's say you want to charge it to 80% and there's like 3% left and you want to use the battery now. So you will probably use it while charging, and that may cause the heat, and I don't recommend using the tablet overall if it's charging. So now what you guys can do is, if you got a case for the tablet, a case protector, then remove it to improve the heat dissipation, because sometimes the heat may be trapped, the heat from the battery may be trapped inside of the case, and that's why it may cause the heat overall. And the last thing you guys can do is charge the device in a cool and ventilated area, and I'm not talking about the fridge. So that's it for the video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.